सब्जेक्ट आईटी इन अकाउंटेंसी, चैप्टर नंबर 1 बिजनेस प्रोसेस। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने पढ़ा था मीनिंग, डेफिनेशंस, कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ बिजनेस प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट, उसके फीचर्स कितने थे, उसके इंपॉर्टेंस क्या थे वो। आज हम पढ़ेंगे प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ बिजनेस प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट। सो देयर आर टोटल 10 principles in business process management. The first one is principles of context awareness. Principles of context awareness should fit to the organizational context. It should not follow a cookbook approach. Second principle is principle of continuity. In BPM, it is should be a permanent practice. Third principle is principle of enablement. BPM should develop capabilities. Principles of holism. Principles of holism helps to inclusive in scope and not have an isolated focus. Next principle is principle of institutionalization. It helps to embedded in the organizational structures. It should not be an ad hoc responsibility. The next principle is principle of involvement. In BPM, it should help or integrate all stakeholder groups. It should not neglect employees' participation in the organizations. The next principle is principle of joint understanding. It helps to create shared meaning. Next principle is principle of purpose. It contributes to strategic value creation and it should not be done for the sake of doing it. And the second last principle is principle of simplicity. It is economical. And the last principle is principle of technology appropriation. It helps to make opportunities in technology. So let's discuss in brief. The first principle, principle of context awareness. Principles of context awareness requires consideration of the given organizational setting. Context awareness assumes that there is no unique way of managing business process. So यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं context awareness से related, जो कि आपको यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो सकता है which typical context factor determines BPM approaches? In what context is our BPM initiative setups? How can context suitable BPM approaches be determined? ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं. Second principle of continuity. It is a permanent practice that facilitates continuous gains in efficiency and effectiveness. It helps to avoid BPM being a one-off change project. Establish a process mindset. तो यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं रिलेटेड. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हो सकता है वो रहेगा व्हाट इज़ द ओवरऑल एजेंडा, or how do we sustain a BPM initiatives, how do we sustain a BPM initiatives or continuous improvement and innovations in BPM for long term or long time. What is the overall agenda? So these questions can be. Third question, third principle of BPM is principle of enablement. Principle of enablement helps to develop individuals and organizationals capabilities. It is not a ad hoc solutions, bear the risk or firefighting instead of long-term solutions. तो यहाँ पे भी questions हो सकते हैं enablement से related. So first question रहेगा how can this business be implemented, or how do we establish the required dynamic capabilities for BPM? Do we know what capabilities are needed in different areas for the organization? So ऐसे बहुत सारे questions जो हैं वो हो सकते हैं. आपको लिखा स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है questions. नेक्स्ट जो प्रिंसिपल है वो है प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ होलिज्म्स. Principles of holism should be run throughout the value chain. It is holistic approach to compromise all important aspects across the entire company. तो यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे वो रहेंगे what are measurement criteria for these factors, what synergies can we leverage, which factors are necessary and which are sufficient for BPM success, and etc. Next principle is principle of institutionalization. This principle calls for embedding BPM in the organizational structures. BPM roles and responsibilities ensure a more customer-centric horizontal integrations of work. Next principle is principle of involvement. All stakeholders groups are affected by BPM should be involved. Responsiveness of people and their true commitment is critical to the success of BPM. The redesign or design process is likely to be more important than the final designs. तो यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं अराइज वो है हो सकते हैं विच स्टेक होल्डर्स आर अफेक्टेड बाय आवर BPM इनिशिएटिव्स, व्हाट आर द स्पेसिफिक प्रेफरेंसेस ऑफ द स्टेक होल्डर्स, और व्हाट इज द रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, और डज एक्टिव इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन प्रोसेस मॉडल क्रिएशन चेंजेस द यूज ऑफ प्रोसेस मॉडल्स एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ जॉइंट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. It introduces and sustain a common language, allowing different stakeholders to view, frame, and analyze organizational systems. It is a process models should be simple and intuitive to create shared meaning and common understandings. यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन हो सकते हैं लाइक विच एलिमेंट्स ऑफ प्रोसेस नीड टू बी अंडरस्टूड और व्हाट इज़ अ लैंग्वेज ऑल एम्प्लॉयज वुड अंडरस्टैंड और हाउ कैन लैंग्वेज गैप्स बिटवीन डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स आर ब्रिज्ड, ऐसे आपको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पर्पस. Principle of purpose in BPM act as a management method to achieve organizational change and create value. It creates transparency about the business and the organizational systems. Next principle is principle of simplicity. It is the amount of resources invested into BPM should be economical. It is the simplest way of business process help to achieve the BPM related goals. And the last principle is principle of technology appropriations. In BPM, it should make opportunities to use of technology, particularly IT. Introducing IT as an afterthought, it can be the jeopardize the continuity, the growth and the transformational capabilities of an old enterprise. So यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं वो रहेंगे आपको टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड, जैसे कि आईटी से रिलेटेड. तो क्वेश्चंस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं, लाइक व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ यूजिंग अ सर्टेन बीपीएम टेक्नोलॉजी वर्सेस अनदर, क्या फ़र्क है. लाइक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हो सकता है विच टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ अवेलेबल टू सपोर्ट अ पर्टिकुलर बीपीएम पर्पस एंड मेनी मोर. आपको यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे बहुत सारे वो क्वेश्चंस शो कर रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हो. सो ये हमारा आज का वीडियो में इतने ही हमने प्रिंसिपल्स पढ़े हैं. थैंक यू.